we need to click on the Windows search icon and then type in Control Panel, and then just open this Control Panel app here, and then click on Network and Internet, click on Network and Sharing Center, and in here we need to find a link at the connections here. In my case, I'm using Ethernet, but doesn't matter if you're using Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Just click on this link here, and then click on Properties, and then select Internet Protocol version 4, and click again on Properties. And here we need to make sure we set down here the second option here, use the following DNS server addresses instead of obtain DNS server address automatically. And then for the preferred DNS server, just type in 4 times the 8, and for alternate DNS server, 2 times the 8 and 2 times the 4. And then just click on OK, click on Close, and click on Close. And then we can also try running the troubleshoot here. Yeah. Just say in your TeamSpeak, click on Plugins, click on SaltyChat, and click on Troubleshooting, and then click on Start Troubleshooting. And then maybe you need to, or maybe you have some issues, and then you can troubleshoot it with this function here. But that's already it. Really hope this helped you guys. If you've got any questions or something didn't work, just also leave it in the comment section below. Wish you a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye. Bussi.